Have you ever wondered what separates the people who work for their dreams from the ones who work for someone else's? Imagine this. I was 17 years old, standing in the back of a fast food restaurant, flipping burgers under fluorescent lights that buzzed louder than the customers talked. My shoes were sticky from soda spills. My paycheck barely covered my gas tank. But I had one thought playing in my head over and over. This cannot be it. This cannot be all there is. And in that moment, as grease popped behind me and a manager yelled for more fries, I made a decision. I decided to become an entrepreneur. Welcome to How to Become an Entrepreneur. This is not theory. This is not guesswork. This is the exact roadmap I used to go from broke, tired, and frustrated to building multiple businesses, creating freedom, and becoming the person others now look to for guidance. But this story is not about me. It is about you. And especially, if you are my teenager watching this, it is about how you can follow a path I carved through fire, failure, and relentless belief. This is your inheritance. This is your blueprint. And it all starts right here. Let us set the stage. Entrepreneurship is not about flashy cars, big launches, or viral followers. It is about freedom. It is about control. It is about building something from nothing with your own hands, heart, and hustle. And I need you to know that this path is not reserved for the chosen. It is for the courageous. You want to be an entrepreneur? Here is the truth. Nobody is coming to hand you the key. You build it, brick by brick, win by win, loss by lesson. Let me give you the step-by-step formula that changed everything for me and that you can follow no matter where you are starting from. Step 1. Identify a pain, not a product. All great businesses solve a problem. Look around your school, your job, your home. What frustrates people? What takes them too long? What do they complain about? The root of entrepreneurship is empathy. When you solve a real problem, people will pay for the relief. Write down 10 problems you notice in daily life. That list is more valuable than gold. Step 2. Validate with action. Do not build a perfect brand first. Do not worry about a logo. Sell something now. Offer a solution to 5 people. Ask for honest feedback. Get a yes or a no. Then improve it. The market teaches better than textbooks. I sold my first service for $20. It was not perfect, but it got me in motion. Perfection is procrastination in disguise. Action is the cure. Step 3. Use what you have. You do not need capital. You need creativity. You do not need a team. You need commitment. Your phone is a business tool. Your social media is free marketing. Your time after school or work is your investor. I built my first business with a borrowed laptop and a notebook. If you are hungry enough, everything becomes a resource. Step 4. Build your brand through your story. People do not buy products. They buy trust. They buy identity. Tell your story. Be transparent. Share your mission. Use Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, email. Your story is your marketing. Be the brand people believe in before they ever buy from you. Step 5. Master sales and learn to listen. The most valuable skill in entrepreneurship is sales, not the pushy kind, but the kind that listens first, solves problems second, and always follows up. Learn how to ask questions. Learn how to offer without pressure. If you can sell, you will never be broke again. Step 6. Fail fast. Adjust faster. You will fail. Embrace it. Your first idea might flop. Your first website might crash. Your first ad might get 0 clicks. Good. That means you are in the game. Failure is data. Use it. Every time you adjust, you get sharper, faster, and more resilient. Step 7. Scale. What works? Once something starts to click, double down. Automate it. Delegate the parts you hate. Build systems around your strengths. Do not chase 10 ideas. Scale the one that earns. $1 repeated 100 times is better than a big win that never repeats. Step 8. Protect your energy. Entrepreneurship is mental warfare. You will be doubted. You will be tired. You will want to quit, but the prize is worth the pain. Surround yourself with others on the same path. Block the noise. Guard your mind like your business depends on it, because it does. Step 9. Reinvent. Reinvest. Repeat. Do not just make money. Make meaning. Take what you earn and reinvest into skills, assets, and people. Read constantly. Upgrade your tools. Evolve your offers. Stay dangerous by staying humble and hungry. Step 10. Build legacy, not just income. The goal is not just to earn. It is to create something that lives beyond you. Mentor others. Document your process. Teach your children. Leave a roadmap. That is real wealth. That is real success. Now, let me slow down here, because this is the part I want to share with you, my child, and with every young dreamer watching this. Midway through my journey, I almost quit. I had just lost my biggest client. I had bills I could not pay. My phone was silent. My confidence was shattered. And I remember sitting in my car, in a dark parking lot, staring at the steering wheel, wondering if I was insane for thinking I could build something out of nothing. But in that silence, I remembered why I started. I remembered the grease on my shoes. I remembered the way my boss talked to me like I was replaceable. And I realized this pain is temporary. This dream is not. So I drove home, wiped my face, and got back to work. That was the moment I became unstoppable. And now, I want that same strength for you. Because the world will try to tell you that it is too late, that it is too hard, that you are too young, too old, too inexperienced. But let me tell you something. That voice is lying. You have everything you need to begin. You are more ready than you think. You are more capable than you feel. And the only thing standing between you and your dream is the decision to start. Entrepreneurship is not easy, but it is worth it. It is the most honest, powerful, and rewarding path I have ever walked. And now, I pass the torch to you. If this message spoke to you, then like this video right now. That small action signals that you are ready. Comment below and share the business idea you'll explore first, because saying it out loud makes it real. Subscribe, because every week we drop more strategies, more mindset training, and more truth about the path to freedom. And binge watch our playlist How You Can, where I break down the plays that took me from minimum wage to maximum impact. And in case you're wondering who I am the kid who once flipped burgers with a dream. I am the entrepreneur who failed forward and never gave up. I am the mentor who wishes someone had given him this speech when he was 17. And now I am yours. Your story starts now. Your business starts now. Your life starts now. Build it.